Fire in the hole, let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is I've got some chicken wings in my bowl, and I'm going to marinate these wings with something special. This is tiger sauce. Now if you've never had tiger sauce, you're missing something out of your life. It's really good stuff. It's a really sweet heat sauce. So I'm going to put about 1/4 of a cup of Shao Hsing cooking wine in there. That's good stuff. Shao Hsing cooking wine. About 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce in my chicken wings. Should have took that restrictor out. It takes forever to pour that. There you go. 1/4 cup of soy sauce in there. And I'm going to put, I got 2 bottles of tiger sauce. It's a, what is that? It's a 5-ounce bottle. I'm going to put 1 whole bottle in the wings for the marinade. And then tomorrow, after the wings are cooked, we'll do a shaky bakey on them. As my buddy Spinelli says, we'll do the shaky bakey. We're just going to marinate these today, or tonight, overnight in the fridge. Get them in that tiger sauce, get them all mixed up good in there. Oh boy, that's some good stuff. That's some good hot sauce. It's got, like I said, a sweet heat. You can see that. We're going to let that marinate, let that go overnight, and then tomorrow we'll cook them, and then after they're cooked, we'll do the shaky bakey with the other bottle of hot sauce. So stay tuned. My tiger wings have been in the marinade all night. We're going to get them in the basket. Get them in that spinning basket where I cook my wings. I love this thing. This thing makes the best wings. Let's see, I've got 10 of them, so I need to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side to make it balance. That tiger sauce smells so good, you can't imagine. That's some good stuff. I urge you to try it. Okay, I got my wings in the basket. I'm going to get them on the fire and get them spinning, and I'll show you what that looks like. And then next thing you'll see, they'll be finished. We'll take a taste and drink a beer, so stay tuned. Alright, I got my meat spinning. You know what I always say, you just can't beat my spinning meat. And that goes for chicken wings too. Let me get these cooked. We'll get them on a plate, we'll take a taste, and drink a beer, so stay tuned. Those wings are done, so what I'm going to do is dribble on some of that tiger sauce. Get it all over them. Oh man, I wish you could smell this. I would give anything if you could. You got to do the old, you know, Spinelli likes to do the shaky bakey, but I got to do the spoony woony because I really can't do the shaky bakey. But I'm gonna coat them all in that tiger sauce, even though they marinated in it all night. We still want to get some more on them because that stuff is without a peer. It's without a peer, peerless, awesome. Tiger sauce is just so good. It's got the sweet heat that you're craving. Let me get these wings on a plate. We'll take a taste and drink a beer. Stay tuned. The wings are done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer. This is from the Visa Sir Brewing Company. It's a local company from Miami. This is called Spanglish, a Latin lager. And it says support your local cerveza. I'm down with that. I'm down with supporting my local cerveza. So let's pour this out and see what this is all about. A Latin cerveza. How is that different from a regular cerveza? I don't know. We finna find out. Very nice. Nice looking beer. A lager. A lager from Miami. Visa Sir. I think I'm saying that right. I hope I'm saying it right. Visa Sir? Does that sound right? Visa Sir? Spanglish is the name of it. Let's take a sniff of that. Where's Lhasa? Nobody knows. Oh, it smells good. Smells like a lager should. Let's quaff the froth off it, Lhasa. Where are you, Lhasa? Wow. That's great. And you know what? It's the perfect thing to eat with chicken wings. Let me tell you what. These wings are awesome. That tiger sauce kicks it up a notch. Let me take a bite of that. That's delicious. A tiger sauce has just enough heat to keep you coming back for more. But it's a sweet heat. Delicious. Wow. I got it all over my face. Hey, you know what I always say, babies. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard and see my buddy Backyard. No, not, is it Backyard? No, Behind the Garage. Behind the Garage Barbecue. Go check him out. He's a supporter of my channel, I guess you could say. And he's a good guy. Go check him out. Subscribe to him. Tell him the Root Boy sent you. Subscribe to me. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And these wings are off the hook good. I'm telling you. That tiger sauce, you gotta try it for yourself. Alright, babies, that's my video. We'll see you next week. Bye.